Hi friends, now I welcome you all to another video under the descriptive statistics, in which I did not add the video for calculating median low even length. So in this particular case, I'm going to showcase you how to proceed further and calculate the median low for even length. So here you will see that yes, I have taken another some values, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, number 1, number 2, and I would simply go ahead and write key the words statistics dot median underscore low, and in simple brackets open, then square brackets open, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once I run, this is the only code that you'll have to use for calculating the median low for the even length of the numbers. Even length means there are 4 numbers out here. So here you will see that yes, the moment I go ahead and click on this particular arrow, or go ahead and run the code, you will see that I would be getting statistics median statistics dot median underscore low, and in brackets 1, 2, 3, 4. And once I run, you will see the outcome would come in as 2. So this is how you would proceed further to calculate the median low for the even length. So let me come up with another video wherein I'm going to showcase to you one more step in the descriptive statistics, so that my entire playlist for descriptive is taken care. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.